Hello. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Hefty Everyday Soak Proof plates, and it counts 50 of them, so it's 50 foam plates. And yeah, and it is foam, so these are what the plates look like. Like this. So they got like a nice little cute, imprint flower type of design. They have 50, well, I don't know 50, but I know they have other everyday proof plates that you can use, or bowls. I think they have one of bowls, but just got the plates because sometimes when you're in a rush or when you really need to get something quick to eat and you don't have the time to wash dishes, because normally a lot of times I do hand wash, but sometimes I use a dishwasher. But I mean, when you're on the go, you can finish your food off of your foam plate, throw it away out the door, so just some information about it. So these plates are definitely okay for like everyday meals, everyday use, and for special occasions as well. So, if you're worried about the dishes all being messed up, you got a lot of cleaning you got to do as far as, putting dishes in the dishwasher, or if you hand wash them, don't have to worry about that. Get these Hefty foam plates and you're good to go. So yeah, they're definitely, okay for everyday use if you use them like every single day. Me personally, I have used these plates to warm food up, like pizzas and stuff in. And I know sometimes there might be like holes or something, for how long you have it in the microwave. But the only thing that I've experienced is that I can just tell like a pizza mark was on there, if that makes sense. But as far as like holes, and it's really melted into the food, because I've seen that before too. I haven't seen that at all with these plates. The only thing I've seen is just maybe like an imprint of what the food, of where it was placed, if that makes sense. But other than that, and I've had this plate probably in the microwave for a good minute. So, but yeah, I haven't seen any like holes or left product on my food from these plates, so that's a good thing. So these plates are actually durable foam construction, so that's probably one of the main reasons why I haven't seen that yet, even when I warm my food up. And these plates are actually, it has a feature where it has soak proof layer that prevents stains and leaks. So again, like I was saying, probably because I've had the plate in there for a while, I've only seen where like the pizza was placed. Like if I lift it up, it might be like a light mark, but as far as like a huge stain, I haven't seen it as far as like a leak from anything. Not even just pizza. Maybe I had salads on here before, a hamburger. I think that's about it. But this plate, it's strong, it's durable, so I haven't really had any complaints. Like I said before, it's 50 of them, so I think we just got these not too long ago. So yeah, this is probably like, we've been buying a lot of plates lately because we be on the go, like, so need something quick. Don't always have time to watch this, especially we're on a time schedule, so these plates definitely come in handy, especially if you're like wanting to eat and then go out the door afterwards. You're done. You don't have to worry about your dishes being all dirty or putting up dishes after when you're done drying them, or after when they're done in the dishwasher. You're good. You're good. Put your food on your plate, throw it away, and bow, you are done. So the pounds of these foam plates, they're actually 7.67 pounds. Yeah, so I'm thinking that as a total, I wouldn't think this just by itself. I will probably think like the whole thing is 7.67 pounds, because that doesn't make yeah, it's early in the morning. Don't mind me. And the length is 18.31. The width is 9.20. And the height is 9 inches. So those are the measurements of these strong, hefty plates. So again, this is the Hefty 50 everyday soap proof foam plates.